Hey everyone, I tried to give a new form for my usual quiet book this time. This is my version of a sensory cube. Watch till the end for a basic outline how I made it. This first side is an owl peekaboo page. The wings are removable with magnetic snap buttons. I have also added a fidget element to the left side with some beads through a ribbon. I have added loops of ribbons between different sides which can be used to grip and lift the cube. On the second side is a rainbow page with zippers of the different rainbow colors. Inside the zippered sections, I have added felt of the rainbow colors in reverse order. On the third side is a mouse and cheese page. The mouse can wind through the different sized holes of the cheese. It is a great activity for fine motor control and hand-eye coordination. This also includes freeing the mouse from the holes. On the fourth side is a monster's shapes page. Here, there is also a small hanging twine with some beads in it. The shapes in the center of the monsters can be removed and matched to the right one. On the fifth side is a vehicles page. Also note here, I have added loops on three corners which have removable tether shapes. Each tether shape has a different texture. The vehicles can be moved to and fro. On the last side is a flower with a bee on top. There is a small fidget section with beads to the top left side. Under each petal of the flower, there are some insects. This is not a very detailed tutorial. It is only a basic outline with the help of some videos because there were certain recording limitations that I faced. I have taken 6 quiet book pages with activities of my choice. Along with this, I have used some ribbons of different colors. The length of the ribbons can be around 7 to 8 centimeters. I have also got one thick twine through which I have added some beads and knotted it at the end. I have used 3 star shapes from a store-bought tether with different textures and some loops made with thick twine. First, I have planned the structure of the cube in terms of the placement of the 6 sheets. Next, I have taken the owl page and the rainbow page. These will be stitched with the main side facing each other. Before that, I have pinned one purple ribbon loop to the bottom of the owl page. Then I have placed them facing each other, one page as is and the other page opposite and upside down. I have then pinned the top edge together and stitched this together on my sewing machine. Once stitched and opened out, the 2 pages are aligned in the same direction. In the same way, I now connect the monster shapes page to the other side of the owl page. I have not added ribbons in every connection but tried to use it for some connected parts randomly. Following this, I have then connected the cheese page to the other side of the monsters page. When I connect the owl page to the bee and flower page, I only turn the facing sides together without making one of them upside down. This is the same with the vehicles page on the other side. Once this structure is made, the remaining sides need to be joined to form a cube. Here, when I add the ribbons or connect the two sides, I have done an additional step of tacking with normal continuous stitch so that it is easier to machine stitch. I have also added the knotted side to the corner of some of the joints, tacked first before stitching, as shown. This is a summary of the connections for better understanding. After connecting all but one side, turn the whole thing the right side up and you will land up with what I have got here. I have used some cotton filling and a rattle ball to fill the inside of the cube. I filled it halfway with the cotton filling first, then filled the ball and then again filled the rest of the way with the cotton filling. A note here that before putting the ball inside, I have covered it with the plastic sheet and taped it together so that the cotton fibers from the filling don't enter the gaps in the rattle. Once the entire filling is done, I have used an invisible or ladder stitch to stitch the last open edges of the cube. I'm sorry I couldn't show it over here because I was trying it out for the first time, but I will link the video which I followed in the description box below. I hope you liked this concept. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.